Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows keyboard keys are not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Right click on the start button, select settings, and then go to the accessibility tab. Scroll down, select keyboard, and make sure that you turn off all these three switches for keyboard, filter keys, toggle keys, and sticky keys. These switches should be off, all three of them. After this, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboards. Right click on each and every one of them and update the drivers. Okay. Now, obviously, it can be a hardware issue. That is a different case. You have to check the battery and the connections and everything. But at the software level, the last solution will be a clean boot. So, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.